Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed week one and at least were able to get your work done. I know that was a learning curve for all of us, so hopefully week two will go a lot smoother. In an effort to help you guys out a little bit, I'm making this video kind of showing you some ins and outs of Google Classroom, what it's going to look like from your end, because I'm having a lot of people having issues with submitting things. And then I will go into Pearson for a little bit for my bio kids. If you're in forensics, don't worry about the Pearson stuff. It does not apply to you. All right, so when you go into your Google Classroom, this is a sandbox one I made just to kind of show you basically sample assignments. If you click on classwork, it'll show you your work, okay? In the Google Classrooms that I've created for you guys, your work is categorized by the due date. So there'll be a category that'll have the due date. You just, go to that section. If you look here, you can see these are both due April 10th. And you can see they are both lit up blue, which means they have not been completed. So if I go into Sandbox Form, okay, I can hit View Assignment, or I can just click right on the form. Let's go into View Assignment. All right, so from in the assignment, you can see the due date, the name of the assignment, how many points it's worth. You can see your work. So here it says assigned, okay? And you can click on the form. Now, if there was any kind of video or anything I want you to watch or read before, that would be found in the instructions right here. But since they're not, we're just gonna click on the form. It'll take us over the form. I made this one very simplified to help make this go a little quicker. So I'm gonna select the answer and hit submit. Now it says response submitted and assignment marked as done. So now you can click open assignment. And it'll take you back to that assignment tab, and you can see your work. It now says turned in. So that's what we're looking for. If you want to go back to the classroom, you can just hit the name of the class, okay, and go back into classwork. And now you can see Sandbox Form is grayed out. Now the other type of assignment I've been giving through Google Classroom is a worksheet. Okay, so here there's an attached worksheet. Now I do attach a different copy of the worksheet for each of you, so you can type right in them. Don't worry about typing it into a different document. You're not going to mess anything up for anyone else. So you can just click right on the document. It'll open up. Okay. And you can see I've typed some sample answers here. If you want to help me out, you can type it in a contrasting color that is, stands out. But honestly, it doesn't matter as long as you type the answers in, right? So once you type your answers in, you just hit turn in. You do not want to hit share. What's going to happen if you hit share is it's going to send an email to my email, which is already getting way more emails a day than I normally get, right? And then when you tell me that you turned it in and I gave you a 0, I'm going to have to go back and hunt through my emails to try and find that specific one that you sent me. Just imagine there's 180 of you guys. Even if you just submit 2 assignments that way a week, we're looking at almost 400 emails that I'm having to hunt through. So please do not share it with me, okay? Instead of share, you want to hit turn in. That's all you have to do, hit turn in. And it'll take you back to the assignment, and I'll ask you, do you want to submit this attachment for that assignment? And you'll hit yes, turn in. And once you turn it in, it'll say turned in. If you want to review it, you can still click on it. If you change your mind, you want to go back and change an answer, you can click unsubmit and you'll be able to resubmit it. And then once I grade it, you'll be able to see your grade in here as well. One more thing I wanted to go over in the classwork tab, you can click view your work at any point to see your grades. Okay, so if you want to see if everything is done or not, here I can see my 2 assignments, okay, and I can see they are both turned in, due dates, all of that. Once they're graded, you'll also be able to see grades there. So now we're going to switch over to the Pearson side of things. If you are a forensic student, this does not apply to you, so don't worry about it. In fact, you can close out the video now. All right, biology kids. BPS Pearson New is the app that we use for the Pearson Easy Bridge. It has to be BPS Pearson New. Please only go to the Pearson app through your Launchpad. It's really not seeming to work any other way. The other issue we had a lot this week were people logging in with their emails, and they were using their share.brevardschools.org email. And I will tell you, it will take you to a Pearson class. When you get in that class, it's not going to show any assignments. What it's doing, and I really don't know how to fix this, I've emailed them multiple times, is it's creating you your own Pearson classroom with no other students and no assignments. So every once in a while, I'll see a single a few Pearson classrooms pop up that I did not create, and the only student in it is you. And I keep deleting them because there's really nothing I can do with them. So make sure you log in through Launchpad and make sure you're using your at brevardschools.org login if you're trying to log in a different way, which I really don't recommend. So when you click on the BPS Pearson New icon, it's going to take you to a page that looks different than this. Obviously, this is teacher view, so you're not going to be able to assign books and things like that. But on the right-hand side, you're probably going to have a button or two, and the one you want to click is Pearson Realize. And when you click that, it's going to take you to your class page, right? So here's Browse. This is where you'll find the book. Under the middle section, mine's a little different. That's where your assignments are going to be found, okay? And then on the right, it says, for me, sign-ins and test scores. For you, it'll show your grade. I hope that helped, and as always, if you have any questions, if you need any help, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to help. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you later.